City breeze and vapor clouds, trains whisper underground, streetlights flicker like tired stars. No footsteps make a sound. Somewhere someone's watching echoes of a life they never lived, turning through forgotten moments, searching for a reason to transmit. 3:17, the loneliest hour in between. 3:17 a.m., when the silence feels too loud. Every window hides a story, every screen becomes a crowd. 3:17 a.m., when the city holds its breath, strangers drifting through the static, running from the quiet underneath. A nurse exhales beside a vending machine. Night shift finally slows. A taxi driver hums a tired song nobody ever knows. And somewhere in a glowing bedroom, a quiet lens remains. A smiling face keeps broadcasting through the signal and the 3:17 a.m., where the silence feels too loud. Every window hides a story, every glow becomes a crowd. 3:17 a.m., where the restless hearts remain, holding frequencies together that were never meant to meet. She's gonna come back to you. Just a grid of dimming windows, breathing at the same frequency. Millions running separate signals, never knowing who'll receive. 3:17 a.m., when the tired hearts align, in the quiet neon midnight, through a fragile thread of line.